What is Huzoor's guidance of a Waqifaat who prioritized her services in Jamaat than her duties as a student? Jazakallah.
You see, whether you are a Waqf now or not in the scheme of Waqf now, being a student, you should give preference to your studies first. Complete your studies, get better education, and then come forward for the help of the Jamaat and work for the Jamaat. But during the weekends, you should attend Waqifaat classes or Waqifaat ijtimas, and whenever you are on holidays, give some spare time to your Jamaat work and Waqf work, whatever it is given to you by your Sadr or in charge Waqf. But never ever at the cost of your studies. You first emphasize on your studies, complete your studies, get better education, and then you will be more beneficial and useful asset for the Jamaat, and then help the Jamaat as a Waqf now.
Inshallah.